In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a bar chart on TradingView. This type of chart is a powerful tool for analyzing price movements, understanding trends, and making informed trading decisions. So let's dive in and see how you can effectively use a bar chart to better visualize and interpret market data. First, let's start by opening a chart. Head over to the TradingView platform and select the asset you're interested in analyzing. This could be anything from stocks to cryptocurrencies or even Forex, depending on your trading focus. Once you've chosen your asset, your next step is to change the chart type. In the top panel of the chart, you'll notice a chart type selector, which by default is a candlestick icon. Click on this icon to reveal the chart type menu. From here, you want to select bar as your chart type. Bar charts offer a distinct method of viewing data, and they might just suit your trading style better than other types like candlesticks. Now, it's time to understand what you're looking at. Each bar on the chart encapsulates key information about the price for a specific time frame. Let's break this down. The very top and bottom of the vertical line of each bar outline the highest and lowest prices within that time period. These are critical for helping you understand the price extremes. Moving to the sides of the bar, you'll notice small horizontal lines, or ticks. The tick to the left represents the opening price for that period, while the tick on the right shows the closing price. Having a clear idea of these prices can greatly assist in identifying trends and in confirming your analysis. Next, let's discuss what the colors of the bars signify, as these visual cues are crucial for quickly assessing market behavior. A green bar indicates that the closing price was higher than the opening price, suggesting a bullish or upward trend during that time period. Conversely, a red bar signifies that the close was lower than the open, pointing to a bearish or downward movement. An important tip for effectively using bar charts is to pay attention to the price range, which is portrayed by the length of the bar itself. This quickly shows you how much the price fluctuated during that time frame, highlighting the volatility present in the market. Finally, don't overlook the customization features available to you. By right-clicking on the chart, you can adjust the appearance, including the colors of the bars, to suit your personal preferences. A well-tailored chart can make it easier to analyze and trade more effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at using bar charts on TradingView. With these insights, you'll be better equipped to analyze